Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw A/B test results from Optimizely into Notion. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Optimizely account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Select the specific experiment for which you want to withdraw results. Click on the Results tab located on the experiment page. Review the data displayed to ensure you're focusing on the necessary metrics. Locate the Export option, usually found in the upper right corner. Choose the format you prefer for the export, typically CSV or Excel. Initiate the export by clicking the Download button. Once the file has downloaded, open your Notion workspace. Create a new page or select an existing page where you want to import the data. Click on the Import option from the menu within Notion. Select the file type corresponding to your export format. Upload the downloaded A/B test results file. Notion will process the file and create a new database or table. Review the imported data to ensure everything is in order. You can now format or modify the data as needed within Notion. Consider adding tags or comments for easier future reference. That's how you withdraw A/B test results from Optimizely into Notion smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.